So I'm back in Årby, and this time I'm going to try to see if I can set up a Hyperlapse using the mission control in the Autel Explorer app. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. We have a map here. So I want to be able to create a mission here. And flight altitude 60 meter, finish action, go home, start recording, flight speed, heading, gimbal pitch. We don't want to set that. We are setting a point of interest. So start by setting a waypoint here. That's our starting position. Then we are setting another waypoint here. And then we switch down here to point of interest, and we put that on top of the inn down here. So, and right now let's just check what it's doing. We can see here in the bottom, but it's going waypoint 1, that's flight altitude 60 meters, speed 1 action, fly over. So we need to focus this. It needs to look at waypoint number 1, the action here. Because we want to do a time lapse, I think what we will do is we will do time lapse. Interval 2 seconds, point of interest, latitude, longitude. I think that will do the job. Let's try this. Take it away here. So, and I can move this point if I think it's not the right one. So now we can take off by pressing this blue button in the right side of the screen, and we get an overview. Yeah. So now the drone will start up. It will upload the mission.
Taking off.
And what I can do here is I can switch to this view so you can see what it's actually doing. It's very beautiful here tonight. So it rises now to 60 meters. And now it's turning around. And it's basically flying now to the first waypoint, to the starting waypoint. See if it's doing what we asked it to do.
Flying
yes.
To waypoint 2.
So now it's
flying to landing point.
and then it returns to the starting point. So let's just tune this and make another mission. So we kind of know what it is that we need to do right now. Why do we fly drones? That's because they're easy to operate and have a great camera. But do you understand how to turn the footage that you are recording into a compelling video? You need to realize a drone is just a camera in the sky, but it takes a little bit more understanding to turn this into a story. This is why I recommend a course by Randy Allen called How to Make Exciting Travel Videos, Travel Filmmaking for Beginners. I found this course on Skillshare, which is also the sponsor of this video. It's a really good course that's easy to understand and will take you through the basics how you compose a really compelling travel video. If you don't know Skillshare, that's an online learning community that, much like Netflix, through a low annual subscription offers you access to more than 20,000 courses. And the annual subscription fee is very affordable, but the best part is you can actually test this out for free. The first 1,000 people who use the link in my description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare Premium. Let's get back to the video. Let's try and configure one more mission here. So let's just see what this one is doing. Now it's for adding and deleting waypoints. Instead of doing 60 meters, I think we will do 40. And we have 18 kilometers an hour. It's the flight speed. We can reduce that. Maybe I think it was flying a little bit too fast. The action here is, this is the interval between the pictures. That's also okay. Time lapse, heading, point of interest. So what we're going to do here is we're going to slow this down to the slowest possible speed, like that. And then let's try it again. Yeah, so now it's going to the new altitude, 40 meters. Ja, vi skal bare lige op til den her mission, så det tager ikke så lang tid. So now it's going to the start position. and it will turn the camera towards the point of interest.
Flying to waypoint 2. Stop recording.
So now it's taking pictures that we can use. And we're very lucky right now because there's cars coming in. So that will make the time lapse even more interesting. I need to figure out how I will mess around with this, because it seems this will not be enough to do any sort
Flying to
of
landing point.
time lapse. There's tons of stuff we can mess around with here with the waypoints. So right now
The aircraft is landing.
it's landing.